Orange iron fox with fluffy tail runs along a crochet trail. Pink fox dances on a stone, stitching songs in playful tone. Blue fox giggles in the night, chasing thread fireflies in delight. Yellow fox rolls on grass, watching knitted beetles pass. Green fox leaps in sky so high, drawing loops across the sky. All fox friends twirl around, making handmade joyful sound. Orange iron fox with fluffy tail runs along a crochet trail. Pink fox dances on a stone, stitching songs in playful tone. Blue fox giggles in the night, chasing thread fireflies in delight. Yellow fox rolls on grass. Orange iron fox with fluffy tail runs along a crochet trail. Pink fox dances on a stone, stitching songs in playful tone. Blue fox giggles in the night, chasing thread fireflies in delight. Yellow fox rolls on grass, watching knitted beetles pass. Green fox leaps in sky so high, drawing loops across the sky.